Capricorn, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Capricorn, let's see what is coming for you guys for 16th through 30th of November 2020. Second half of the month November 2020. What is coming for the Capricorns? These are just insights for you guys so that you can stay focused on those things which you really want to achieve in your life. Okay, so great shuffle. So let's see what is coming for the Capricorn people from 16th through 30th of November 2020. Justice card. I hope you can see the cards clearly. Yeah, this is the Justice energy. Libra energy is here. Beautiful, lovely. Okay. This is like something is going to balance for you. Someone wants to make things right with you. Yeah. Okay, let's cut the deck for you. For the Capricorns, maybe some of you are dealing with a Libra. Judgment. Wow, another major arcana. Definitely, this is like the push from the universe, and someone really wants to make things right with you. King of Cups. Maybe a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Seven of Wands, Knight of Wands, Four of Swords, Three of Cups, right in the heart of your spread. Beautiful. Two of Swords, Six of Wands, Three of Wands, and Eight of Cups. Okay, yeah, Six of Pentacles, bottom of the deck. I'm feeling that, yeah, that was a connection in which you were giving the most and receiving very less quantity, like receiving very less, and that's why the situation was imbalanced, and that's why this person realizing that, yeah, I need to do something to make it right. I need to do something. So with this Justice and the Judgment present here, definitely this person is coming into their senses that, yeah, I need to do something right because I am suffering. I'm feeling that this person is continuously having a push from the universe, and they are now tired of avoiding their feelings and avoiding their passion they have for you, because I'm feeling that this person was thinking in the past maybe that, yeah, I need to stay away from Capricorn because it is the right thing. But now this person is now tired of being fighting their own emotions for you. They have very intense. Okay, King of Cups. Yeah, definitely. Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, Seven of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. So yeah, I'm feeling that this person was like they have so much deep feelings for you, but they were resisting those feelings with the Seven of Wands energy, and they were showing you their lighter side, like their fiery side. Like they are very happy, they are very enjoyable, and they are very light and free spirit. Like they were showing you this, but internally they were like this. They have deep emotions for you. Okay, so let's see. Four of Swords, Three of Cups, and Two of Swords. I'm feeling that this person is having some kind of that healing time, and they have had that healing period, and after this healing time, I'm feeling that they have thought about it for a long time, that why is this not ending? If this Capricorn is not with me, then why am I continuously thinking about this person? So I'm feeling that they have finally they have decided that I need to reconnect with my Capricorn. Yeah, this person is on the decision. Like they have decided. I'm feeling that they have decided, and I'm feeling that when they will come to you and they will ask you, then will you reconcile with me? So I'm feeling that there will be a crossroad for you. Okay, yeah. Six of Wands, Three of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. Yeah, you are moving forward in your life. See, in search of your Ten of Cups, remaining Two of Cups. So you are moving forward. You are doing great. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. What is this Judgment here? What is this Judgment here for the Capricorn? Page of Wands, Queen of Swords, Nine of Swords. Yeah. Wow. Okay, this person really wants to start something new with you. See, World card is here, and they want you to end all this coldness, like cold behavior towards them. They want you to end that cold behavior towards them, because they are I'm feeling they're trying to text you a very fiery message, a very, they will communicate with you about their passion they have for you, about their emotions they have for you, and they don't know like what will be your reaction. That's why they are in their headspace, and they are actually, thinking about different and negative outcomes. They are just in their mind. Okay, like what will be your reaction? Will you be still the cold towards this person, or you will be a little bit, loving and caring again? Where is the Seven of Wands here for the Capricorn? Five of Swords, Nine of Wands, Tower. Yeah. Okay, I'm feeling that there was maybe a situation that this person I'm telling you is not immature person. Yeah, this person is not immature. They are very mature. They are very they are wise person. Okay, they have wisdom, and I'm feeling that this person was resisting this their feelings for you, because they think that maybe whenever they will communicate about their feelings to you, that will be a tower moment for them. So that's why they are continuously resisting their feelings, and they are controlling. Actually, they were self-sabotaging themselves. They were guarding their heart too much to avoid this tower moment. Okay, but this tower moment still happened. This is still happening. What is this Three of Cups here? What is this Three of Cups here? Four of Pentacles. Yeah. Patience, Temperance energy, Ace of Pentacles. So I'm feeling that this person was resisting their feelings, like they just don't want to show you about their feelings. They just don't want to reveal their feelings to you, but at the same time they're holding on to you. So they need to, like, all these opposite energies holding on to you and still not revealing their feelings towards you. If they have feelings for you, speak. They need to speak up, and they are not speaking it up. That's why they're not happy. Like they're holding on to you still, and I'm feeling that they are waiting for the right timing with the patience energy, so that they can communicate to you about this Ace of Pentacles. I'm feeling that they have realized that, yeah, I can't fight these feelings anymore. I need to accept these feelings. So this person is now waiting for maybe in the Sagittarius time they will offer you this Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so yeah, let's see, what is the Six of Wands here? Nine of Cups. Wow. So this is your wish fulfillment. Three of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm feeling that you are getting success. Wow. And the Ace of Cups. So we have three aces here. Okay, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Ace of Cups. Beautiful. So I'm feeling that this person, this person, maybe a new person for you. Maybe I'm feeling that this person is having a new opportunity from the universe to collaborate with you. Okay, and I'm feeling that this person is wishing for an opportunity from the universe so that they can put in the work with you. Okay, and for some of you, I'm feeling that you are doing great. Okay, you are getting success, you are having your wish fulfillment, and you have so much you wanna start something very beautiful. I'm feeling that you have started something already and you're getting success in it, but you want to start something new for your stability, for serving the humanity. Beautiful. Lovely. What is this Ace of Cups? Eight of Cups here. Eight of Cups for the Capricorn. Eight of Cups for the Capricorn, please. Wow. So you were in search of a 10 of Cups of yours, and here it is. Here they are. Lovely. Six of Swords, yeah. Wow. Two of Cups. Yeah. You are getting these 10 of Cups because you are not resisting anything, you are not pushing anything, you are not forcing anything, you are just going with the flow. You are surrendering to the universe that, yeah, universe, just take me wherever you want to take me. Wow. Beautiful. This is like beautiful. Okay, I just want to clarify this tower for you. What is this tower here? What is this tower here for the Capricorn? What is this tower here? Strength. Nine of Pentacles. Three of Swords. Yeah, this person was afraid of this tower. Like, they were afraid of you to left them. Like they were very afraid. Like they don't want you to leave them. Okay, because they think that when if they will explain their feelings towards you, reveal their feelings towards you, you will leave them. That's why they are resisting this tower moment. They are actually avoiding this tower moment. But because they didn't reveal their feelings, okay, that's why you walked away, because you want them to reveal their feelings if they have for you, but they didn't. That's why you walked away, and they are now going through this tower moment and this Three of Swords. But you are getting in your strength, which is beautiful. I'm feeling that this person is also overcoming this pain, and they are trying to be at your level. So this is I have for you, Capricorn. Beautiful. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.